Hi, get more from your creative. Today we'll create as many variations as possible. With AI, we can add variations to any text element, then switch between them with a toggle. We can do the same with a call to action. Let's see the options here. You can also switch the call to action manually and choose a different version for each creative. Feeds add even more variations. I'm connecting a feed. Let's check it. Here's the preview. Now each element needs to be linked to its matching field in the feed. The photo to the image field and the text to the text field. We need to do this for every element. Because we don't know what the final text will be, we can always adjust it, change the alignment or font size, and move it slightly if needed. To check all variations, click through them on the creative, or view the available options in the table. We can also create many variations for different platforms. Let's resize this banner with standard desktop advertising sizes plus mobile sizes. For resizing, we have the classic option and AI Smart Resize. Let's see what we get. It's important to review every size so the text is positioned well and the image stays in view. The image format can vary, and the amount of text changes too. You can make any adjustments you need. I'll tweak the text, click through all the sizes, and check everything. Looks great. Back to all resizes. I'll show more features. Let's open one size and translate the text in our editor. Choose a language, and your banner is translated instantly. Notice that text linked to a feed can't be translated. That option isn't available. To translate it, disconnect it from the feed. Here's another way to increase the number of variations. Let's remove one size from synchronization. Select it and click Detach. Once detached, edit this size's image, color, and text. It won't sync with the others. Let's translate it completely, for example, into French. Click Translate, and the banner is translated. If needed, we can detach it from the feed and translate all text blocks. In some languages, the text becomes much longer, so the elements need to be adjusted to fit. I'll enlarge the button, then return to all sizes. This banner is different. It's translated with different images and text. This makes it easy to turn one banner into 100 variations and export them in any size you need. Here's the result. 90. Just like that, we created 90 banners from a 4-row feed with several text variations. Thanks.